Hello dear students, very good morning. We are learning the chapter acids, bases and salts. And in today's class you are going to study about how strong are acid or a base solution. So students, we know how acid base indicators can be used to distinguish between an acid and a base, right? By using some indicators we can identify which solution is acidic and which solution is basic. And we have also learnt in the previous section about dilution and decrease in the concentration of H plus or OH minus ions in the solutions, right? So what we have learned, that is H plus ion or OH minus ions in the solution, that is quantitative. Okay, so we can quantitatively find the amount of these ions present in a solution. And now can we judge how strong a given acid or a base is? So we have to analyze and we have to identify how much acidic or how much basic is the solution. So we can do this by making use of an universal indicator. So universal indicator means it is a mixture of several indicators, and the universal indicator shows different colors at a different concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. ಇದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಈ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಲಿ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. A scale of measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution, it is called as pH scale. So how to write a pH? So first a small p and a capital H. Okay. So this P, this a scale of measuring a hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called as pH scale. So it has been developed, and the P in the pH nothing but this P is nothing but potence in the German language. Okay, so potence nothing but power. Okay, so it means power of hydrogen or potence hydrogen anta artha idike. On the pH scale, we can measure pH generally from 0 to 14. Okay, so pH scale varies from 0 to 14. Okay, so 0 it means it is very acidic. From 0 it is very acidic, and 14 it is very much basic. Okay, it is very alkaline. And pH should be thought of simply as a number which indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution. So it will indicate whether the solution is acidic, how much acidic or how much basic. Okay, so here the simply as the number which indicates the acidic or basic nature. Higher the hydronium ion concentration, so okay, higher the hydronium ion means H plus ions, it means it is the lower pH. Okay, no really, you all know that. So if H plus ions are H3O plus ion concentration, that is hydronium concentration and hydrogen ion concentration is more, nothing but it is very acidic, right? Tumba acidic agirutte. So very much acidic compounds will come in the beginning, that is from here 0. Okay, then we can say that the lower is the pH value if hydrogen ion concentration is more. And the pH of neutral solution, that is 7, you know that. So pure water and our blood is pH is so 7. So value less than 7 on the pH scale represent acidic solution. From 0 to 6 it is called as acidic. And so after this neutral, so from here to 8 to 14 it is called as alkaline or basic in nature. So generally paper impregnated with a universal indicator is used to measuring the pH value. So you have to remember, so 7 is the neutral, and below 7, that is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, if we got, that is nothing but it is the solution is acidic. And if we got the values 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, it is nothing but it is basic. So from here to here the basicity is increasing, and from here to here the acidity is increasing. Okay, so it is ಈ ಕಡೆ 7 ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ so it is nothing but it is more acidic, and 7 ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ basicity ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Students, just look at this picture. So here you can see, so H plus ion concentration is more here, right? So it is going towards this side, H plus ion it is decreasing, right? So here you can see the demarcation, right? So 7 is the neutral, and if we come from 7, so if you move on towards the 0 side, it increases in the H plus ion concentration. You know that if H plus ion concentration is more, it is nothing but acidic in nature. And from 7 to 14 if you are going, H plus ion concentration decreases alva. Nodi, here you can see H plus ion illi jaasti ide blue color, and if it is keep on going, the H plus ion concentration will be decreased, right? In the same way OH minus also. So OH minus, this white color, the OH minus ion concentration is more here in this side, right? So when it is keep on going towards this side, OH minus ion concentration decreases. It is nothing but, so now we can identify OH minus ion concentration is more towards this side. It is nothing but it is basic in nature. And here, so blue color indicates acidity, means acidic nature increases in this side. Suppose if anyone give 1, okay, the pH is 1, and you have to write whether it is acidic or basic. What you have to write? It is the acidic, because H plus ion concentration is more here in this side. Strength of an acid on a base depends on the number of H plus ions and OH minus ions produced respectively. So if we take hydrochloric acid and acidic acid of the same concentration, say 1 molar, okay, so 1 molar, then they produce different amounts of hydrogen ions. So acids that give rise to more H plus ions are said to be strong acids. Okay, so and that gives the less H plus ions, that is called as weak acids. For example, here H plus ion concentration is more, hence we can call it as a strong acid. So when you come here 6, here the 6, so it is having a less H plus ion concentration. Of course it is a acid, but it is a weak acid here, and here it is a neutral. In the same way here also, so in case of bases also, so here OH minus ion concentration is more, as you know that. So since it is having more OH minus ion concentration, it is a strong base. Example, we can use sodium hydroxide, okay? And so when you come down here, so 8, 9, 10, these are weak bases, because here OH minus ion concentration is less when compared to 14. So the bases which comes here 8, 9, 10 are weak acids, and 11, 12, 13, 14, so these are strong bases. Here also 0, 1, 2, these are all strong acids, and here the 6, that is a weak acid. Here also you can check. So since H plus ion concentration is more here, it is more acidic, means strong acid, and here the H plus ion concentration is less compared to here, hence we can call it as a weak acid. When it comes to bases, OH minus ion concentration is more here, right? So it is a strong base, and when you come down like this, so here OH minus ion concentration is very less compared to here, so we can call, so these are weak bases.